estimation methods in management accounting, and these methods are also used and tested across all other units. And you can get notes from educationchest.com, where you can videos for free to some extent, and you'll also be required to do well in your examination. There is very many questions and answers there that you can study and get well with your studies in each and every topic that you'll be encountering. Now, in this lesson, we are looking at cost estimation methods, whereby it's important as a student to know very well that these cost estimation methods are tested in different units, not only in management accounting. They are concepts that are tested. They are concepts that you should know, and they are also used in field work. They are used in your areas of professions. As accountants, you need these concepts to know how to estimate costs. During budgeting, you'll also be required to have this knowledge and understand also, one, the reasons for cost estimation. Why do you need to estimate costs? Why do you need to know the cost? Why do you need to investigate costs that have been incurred? We will look at types of costs, which really include variable cost and fixed costs, but we will check that one in deep details. We will also check and know how to classify costs during the estimation, either to fixed or all that is, variable cost. What category? How do you view all the activities and check whether this is variable cost or fixed cost? Methods of cost estimation, we have said that we'll look at different methods that are used in estimating costs. And first, we'll look at, in this class, the estimation of costs by account analysis. We analyze different types of accounts provided from the financial reports. We classify all those costs into either variable or fixed costs, because we need to derive a certain formula, that's linear equation formula, and then from there we estimate cost for each variable, either fixed, average, variable cost, or each component of variable cost. We'll also check in details cost estimation by regression method. This one gives students a lot of problems because it pertains a lot of units, and it's tricky. But this time around, we'll see regression methods from simple regression to complex regression method. We'll also be able to look at another method of cost estimation, which is ILO method. This is very simple but always tested. It's a very important concept which needs to be understood by students across all units. We'll also check and understand the potential problems which comes with the regression method of cost estimation in management accounting, and also financial modeling and forecasting. We'll have a chance to know the assumptions that are used in cost behaviors and estimation, which are very important. And now let's go further in this class to look at the types of costs and the cost analysis, account analysis, estimation method. Most importantly, you need to understand the reasons for cost estimation in accounting. Now, understanding the reasons for cost estimation, as a student, you need to know some important information about cost estimation methods and why it is important for you as a manager in any organization. One, it helps company management to make informed decisions that are very accurate to cost decision. Costs, cost in companies, cost in any organization is critical. It's critical. Company can get closed immediately after being formed because of poor cost management. If it is production cost, all personnel costs need to be checked and to be budgeted so that you can be having a benchmark on how you are going to run the organization. As an accountant, you'll be performing some budgeting, yearly budgeting, and also weekly, monthly budgeting, financial period budgeting, and you'll also look at costs involved in every project that you are taking in that organization. So cost tricks and cost methods, estimation methods will inform you what is happening on the ground, on operation, and personnel cost, depreciation, what types of movements going on there through cost estimation methods during budgeting. You prepare yourself very well, just like that. And also when you're performing project appraisal, it's very important for you to know that it will help you so much. It helps management to make cost comparison in different areas of investments. For example, cost incurred in production and cost incurred in advertising in the products outside there. So you compare the costs, and also you can also compare the cost between your production. For example, farms in the same industry, you can get a financial statement for the other farm. For example, you are selling food industry, you'll go, or you're selling clothes industry, your textile industry, both of you can compare the cost being used in each or each of the company. Then from there, you end up understanding why you're incurring high cost or low cost, what you're doing this, that. So it's only through cost estimation methods that you're going to have that. Another thing that it helps management in assessing the costs and benefits among investments and alternatives, and also gives the management in organization the right actions to be undertaken while making decisions. These are very important points for understanding the reasons why we have estimations of cost. It's very important.
And did you know that Education Chair's website is open for all students to post questions for free and share to the world? Now we are bringing you a platform where you will be able to exchange questions and get answers from your fellow peers, meet new peers around the world, and this is for you as a student. And when you open the account, you go to www.educationchess.com, where you find the students' academic forum and academic community. You can share for free your assignments, your questions with answers, and also make a living from there, and also make sure you met new peers from there all over the world. There's also cheerful lecturers there, teachers with a lot of knowledge. Yeah, join today by creating an account. Please don't fail to subscribe to our channel and be blessed. Click the thumbs up